Can the Blendjet 1 crush a pineapple core? That's the question I'm asking today. Now, I happen to know how many watts this thing has, how much power it has. We'll talk about that in a future video, but I know what it's working with, but I'm curious. They say this is the most powerful portable blender in the world, and I want to know if it can handle pineapple core. So let's go ahead and find out now, guys. This is a freshly cut pineapple. I just cut this core out of this today, and I'm just going to cut this into smaller chunks. For those of you that are familiar with pineapple, you know that pineapple core is pretty strong, but it's usually not a big deal for a normal blender. I have some purified water right here. So let's go ahead and start by putting in the entire pineapple core. Then we're going to put in some purified water. I'm going to put in exactly 6 ounces of water. This cup holds 12. We're going to fill it halfway. We're going to turn it upside down, and then we're going to turn it on. And not having a good time. Looks like we've aired out here. So what happened is we've got our pineapple stuck in the blades. So turn this over. Let's get these. Let's get this pineapple core unstuck. Use a spoon. Use the little spoon to get down there and get that out. Alright, so maybe I put too many in there. Let's just put one. Just gonna put one in there with some water. Let's try again. We're gonna turn this over. Let the blades get up to full speed. See what I can do. All right, let's see what we got. I can't tell. You know what? It didn't do bad, guys. This is the last piece right here. One tiny little piece left. Okay guys, so as you can see, when I tried to blend a whole pineapple core cut up in the Blendjet with half full of water, it didn't do so good. Maybe if I would have cut it into smaller chunks, it might have got through it. But what happened was one of the pieces got caught on the blades, and that was all she wrote. It was done. So I would have to say, I want to say fail on that one. So the most powerful portable blender in the world, it doesn't handle pineapple core very well. I'm sure it handles pineapple just fine. It doesn't handle pineapple core very well. If you want to use pineapple core in this, I recommend chopping it up in pretty small pieces. And that's it, guys. Hope this is helpful, and I will see you in the next video. Cam Jennings here reminding you, if you keep watching them, I'll keep making them. Peace, everybody.